What's going on, guys? So today's video we are replacing this quarter panel window. As you can see, it has some issues and it has water spots all over it, minus, you know, the water that's on it, whatever. So we're going to be replacing this, but first, look at this. I uninstalled my rear seat just to see what was under it. You see that? All that rat poop. So when I bought this car, I knew it may have some issues, but I think that it sat for so long. Let me try to get this seat up real quick. It sat for so long that, and trust me, I already have a trash bag full of stuff right there. I was just chilling in here. But yeah, so it sat for so long that people started making homes back here. So I'm gonna go take this. Well, I'm gonna uninstall the rest of the seat. Go take it to the closest, I guess, car wash place and vacuum out the back seats. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, we just made it, so we are going to start vacuuming the back seats. Well, back area where the seats were. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're back home and everything is cleaned up. No more rat turds or anything like that. So that's good. Now what we're going to do is use this 3/8 ratcheting wrench and go ahead and take off that bolt, that bolt, that one's already done, and I think there's two more. So that one, I think that one, and well, that one in there, there's one in there, and one down here, I think, in that hole. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I will see you outside so we can finish taking off this window. Alright guys, so I missed a couple bolts, so I have that one right there and one right in there. So I gotta take those out real quick and yeah, we'll be, yeah. So I gotta take those out real quick and we should be straight. Alright guys, so we, as you can see, got it off. Actually doesn't look too bad. I'm just going to kind of clean it up here, and then we're going to take off the butyl tape that's already on here from factory, and then yeah, we'll install the other one. So here we go. Now the fastest way that I found to actually take off the butyl tape is actually to use butyl tape. You know, just rip a little piece off and then just kind of mush some onto the window and you should be able to take most of it off. Okay guys, we put the butyl sealer on the window, so now we're going to install it. Ready? Alright, so the window's on. We still have to button it down, so let's go inside the car and check it out. Alright guys, well, camera just died. But what we're going to do now is just go ahead and put all these screws back in. You don't want these too tight. You basically just want them hand tightened, and then if you can go a little bit more, go a little bit more to further seat the new quarter panel onto the frame. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, here's the new window, and yes, we are back on the good camera, so alright, there you go. Get a nice little look. Everything went pretty flush. There is, this is a used window, so there is some imperfections in it. I'm okay with it because it doesn't have water spots. That was the main thing. So if we look at this one, let's see. I don't think you can really see it, but there is definitely a lot of water spots on this. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now you can see the water spots. Yeah, so I was gonna actually tint my windows, but I didn't want to tint the window with water spots. So yay. The next one is going to be this. Let's see if we can't get it to... You can kind of see the water spots. There we go. So, yay, next video, maybe. So, alright guys, well I'm going to close out this video here. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, follow the Facebook, follow the Instagram, follow whatever you want to follow. And all